Okay, my friends and viewers, another quick informative video, and I'll make it quick for you. But I always wanted one of these little poop kits, and it took years to figure it out how to get it, because I went from a regular garden spade for $1.50 to the deuce of spades, and actually I ended up with this Vargo dig tool, which I think is 8.5 inches long. And what it was, all these little packs that made them, that had the emoji on them, the poop emoji. And I always wanted that because it would designate exactly what it was. I used to put it in all kind of sacks and stuff sacks. But anyway, finally, I was watching, and it just goes to show you, that a new YouTuber with not a lot of subscribers, but they have things to offer. And I was watching Fred's Walkabout. His name is Freddie, actually. And he was just saying what was in his pack, and he had this deuce of spade. I mean, he had this dig tool, and he had this bag that it fit in. So he mentioned that he got it from this company called Space Cat.
Space Bear bag.
That's where did the cat come from?
It's supposed to be a bear.
A bear?
Yeah.
That's a cat. He said it was named after his cat.
Oh, I don't know,
But anyway, I'm gonna type down on the screen exactly what his .com store is. Okay, but he said this cat. What's this see? But anyway, he said he named it after his cat. But anyway, so I saw Fred have it did fit in this bag, so I went to the website, and the guy does make 3 sizes of this, and this was 9.5 inches, which easily fits into this. I'd say this is 8 inches. I don't really know, but it fits in there. So what I did, I took the opportunity to upgrade my kit, and I decided. I realized I didn't bring my hand sanitizer, but I decided to use these little dehydrated towelettes instead of toilet paper. I'm gonna try that, and that means you're gonna have to wet it before you go to the big bathroom, or either carry a bottle of water with you. I hate to get back there and have to spit on this thing to try to get it to blow up. But anyway, I did bring a little bit of toilet paper just in case that does happen. But yeah, I got my hand sanitizer. I forgot to put in here. But you see, you never know. You know, no matter how big the channel is, there's always something to learn. And that was something I've been looking for years. And that just happened. Fred's Walkabout, when I watched his channel, there it was, bam. So now I got my poop kit, just like everybody else, with the poop emoji on it. And it's dyneema, little dyneema bag. So anyway, that's it. And I'll type in his website and all on there. Thanks for watching. Hope it was informative and helped you out. See you next week.